Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a very nice saw. This is a Hyd-Mech S20 Series 2 horizontal bandsaw. Very popular saw. We've gone through this machine, cleaned, painted, cycled, everything works on the machine. It's been fully tested. We'll show you a few of the features on this machine. It has a nice quick vise. Slide it into wherever you need it. Pull that down. And that's solid. Very nice heavy duty machine. We'll show you how the head swivels on this machine, which is probably the main feature. Right here, we have a tightening device. Loosen it, and you'll see right next to it, you're going to have a chart. This chart right here will tell you your degree. Right now you can see it's at 90 degrees. Now I will go ahead and move it. And you can see now we're almost about 45 degrees. It's pretty simple to move when the lock is free. Just to show you, this machine's been gone through inside and out. We've checked out every piece on it, cleaned it all up. It's all been repainted. So we'll go ahead and put it back into 90 degrees. At 90 degrees on this saw, you can cut a 13 by 18 piece. So it's a pretty nice size. Here's your speed, your variable speed for how fast you want your cutting speed to be. You can have it in feed mode. You can see we can stop it, creep it, or come down faster. Just going to show you the capacity of the machine. Right there you have a 13-inch height. You're going to have 18 inches wide. And at 45 degrees, this machine will cut a 12-inch round. So you go from 13-inch to 12-inch if you're cutting at a 45 degree. So we'll show you how you basically are going to run your piece. You put your piece in, lower the vise, make sure that you're down on your 90 degrees and it's locked in to give you a very nice accurate cut. Make sure this is in the hold position. Raise the saw. Go ahead and turn it on. See the blades moving. Now you can change your guides here depending on your piece of material, how large or small it is. You want to keep it pretty close to the piece. Don't let it too far off or the band will become loose. You have your tensioning band right here. You go ahead and tension the blade. Now that the saw is up and ready to go, if you had your metal piece in there or any other type of material, you just go ahead and put it into feed mode. Right here we have it at 0. We'll start to bring it on. And you can see it can come down nice and slow. And we can increase to any speed, depending on material, depending on blade speed, and the blade is going to depend on how quick you're going to want your feed to come down. As you can see, when it gets to the bottom of the cut, it automatically shuts off. It's a nice little safety feature. We'll show you one other thing here. If you raise the head and you have it, instead of having it in feed mode and having it to have it slowly come down to your piece, let's say you had a smaller piece right here, it does have the fast down mode. It puts it in the full open position and it'll come down till you get it right to where you need to be set, and you can start cutting. If you're interested in this Hyd-Mech or any other type of saw, we carry new and used machines, all types, fully automatic, semi-automatic. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.